shakedown on you. Oh, she a big block. We got the rental boys in here, y'all. You think she got a Hemi? Oh, she said she done had a boyfriend for 5 years. Jackie, what kind of car you drive? Yeah, I'm almost done with these chips, y'all. Y'all don't really do sour cream. Alright, security. Dang, security. Y'all see security. Security. Security, they burning rubber, security. Okay. Security. Look, man. Fish. Oh, she on the walkie-talkie. They over here trying to get this dude burning rubber. We're gonna get him out of here. .434 dispatch. Nice and secure. Miss. They want. I was trying to show you something, miss.
We love you, baby. I love you too.
She love you too, miss. They over here, they trying to say, they had a whole bunch to say.
You have your Chevy tonight. Please hear again. No, we're just security.
Look, security lady, nice.
Security can frisk me. I know, baby. I charge for that.
She charged for frisking, y'all. Hi, security. Yeah, oh yeah, this the Walmart. I got Walmart security in here too, miss. You probably, he on. I think he only level 1. I got Walmart security in here. He only on level 1. He ain't got his level 2 yet. They say that's the baddest.
She's gonna stop the races.
Yeah.
Only if you want me to.
Yeah, only if she can arrest me.
I charge for that.
Yeah, so if y'all.
There was no bomb.
You can speed in front of her, y'all. You can speed, and she might not do nothing because she charged. You might be good. Y'all might be good.
The hell is that?
Man, there was some Dorito pop.
Did you get that from Karen?
Yeah. I was over there with Karen.
You better get to the bathroom quick.
Nah, I'm gonna wait till I go home. Yeah, I just got. Miss, how many people gonna say you cute?
I said, okay. She's level 10.
She level 10. Oh yeah, she got the gun and everything. Yeah. Ruler Ramundo. Yeah, she be working out, y'all. Yeah, she had to do all her training in order to get the level to get the gun. See? The level to get the gun. Can y'all picture her, man? Like mad enough to like use her muscle and try to like get down on the ground. I just don't see it. Look, Bobby Bryant, he just want to get arrested. Now he looking for something negative to do in front of you. He talking about arrest me. Damn, somebody said you could tase him. You'll do that, man?
They want me to.
Yeah, somebody wants you to tase him. I want to see that. Yeah, I like to see that. Who said that? When you want to get done? Come up here. She be up here on Thursdays and Sundays. She'll tase your ass. Let me record it live in front of Bill. Ticklefish say he called 911 and you didn't come out.
I'm not 911.
Hey, it's because we don't call 911.
Yeah, they don't call 911.
We call 811.
811. Look, Alan Way say I wouldn't resist. He ain't doing no resistance.
You know what 811 is?
Nah, tell me.
811 so you call before you dig a hole.
Okay, before you dig the hole.
He's like, I know what it
Security
is.
help, I can't breathe. I need CPR.
Hey, we're in Texas, you don't call 911, you call 811.
Yeah. Junior Wami said that's the gas number when your gas go out on your street, man.
No.
Look, when you got Walmart security say he gonna level up now. He finna level up. See, she motivation. You going to 3 or 4? They said, why she cleared the place when there was no bomb? Why she clear the place when it wasn't?
As long as I get the tagger afterwards. Oh no, we don't do that. You gotta pay me to do that.
Security, sloppy, low
Ask her
ball.
why she cleared the place when there was no bomb. That wasn't me. That was the cops.
They say you really is the cutest security they done seen. No joke. They text so fast, sometimes I can't keep up.
The police had to clear out because whoever is calling, making these prank calls is affecting all of y'all.
Yeah,
So
man.
once it's a bomb threat, they gotta take it seriously. We don't have any. We can't do anything about that.
Okay. See, man, y'all, whoever that is playing, they need to quit playing.